Hi friends, welcome back to my channel 20 Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned by subscribing my channel. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all notification from my channel and get all my new videos which I upload for you guys. As you know, I made all video for you guys with your favorite topic. I'm here again with one of your favorite topic. So guys, let's start the video. Today my topic is about the blunt bob haircut. Blunt bob haircut is on trending these days. Blunt bob haircut is really easy, beautiful, simple, dashing, simplified. No doubt, simple and beautiful. Some simple things make personality more beautiful. This blunt bob haircut will inspire you to grow up your short bob haircut. These blunt bob haircuts are not too short and not too long. These blend bob haircuts are really awesome. All job going ladies, office going ladies, college going ladies, school going ladies, even though household ladies can adopt this blunt bob haircut, can adopt in this summer season. This is really beautiful and easy. This is really easy to carry and easy to hairstyle. You just go to your hairstylist and get your hairstyle. You can get your blunt bob haircut with one of your favorite color. It's up to you which hair color you select for yourself. With you go with your base color, you go with your fashion color, you go with your highlights, you go with your streaks, you go with your balayage. It's up to you. This blunt bob haircut will suit you in all colors. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they can know about the latest fashion of bob haircut and about the latest fashion which I share through my videos. So guys, keep watching, keep supporting and keep sharing, obviously by subscribing the channel. You can appreciate me through comment section and you can share your ideas. I will make videos on your ideas. It will be my first player and it will be my play-in too. So don't forget to share, like and comment. I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourself. Have a great hair day.